Welcome back to our entertainment channel where we brief you with the latest and trending news in our Kikuyu entertainment field. Our news just in, our Kameme Fm senior presenter Muthoni Wakirumba, who co-hosts the show Shajamuka alongside Kihenjo, has just bid goodbye to our fans after 12 years of fun and endless slaughter. Addressing our followers on Facebook, I quote, "It's been good working with Kameme FM for 12 good years of slaughter and love. Thanks to my listeners. Love emojis. It's been Asante Kameme. It's time to say goodbye." I've quote. Our fans could not believe the news, but nevertheless, they wished her all the best in her new venture. And here is what they had to say. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like the video.